Hey Escambia County teachers, and welcome back to another Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. Join us this week as we give you some focused tech tips to help you prep for parent conferences at the end of the quarter. Let's dive in. Let's first navigate to our gradebook. So click on Grades menu on the left-hand side and then click on Gradebook. Here we're going to look at two things for this tech tip video. We're going to look at the student grade printout, a quick printout sheet for the student reflection of all assignments in that course. And we're also going to look at the attendance summary. These are two helpful pieces of information to provide parents during these parent conferences. So let's start first with the grade printout. So I'm going to click on my student here. And when I click on the student, you'll see here that this has their running score for the class, their weighted grade if you have the weights and percentages turned on for categories. And we're going to click on that print icon. If you want to go ahead and include the name of that student, or for more private information, since you're handing it to that parent, you can leave that name off. And you'll see here that it has your name and your subject, as well as everything that you saw on that previous screen with the weighted grades. You'll see all of the assignments coming down this assignment column here. And we also have the points earned and points possible. We have the percent and grade if you have those features turned on in your grade book, as well as any teacher comments that you've made on those assignments, which will be helpful for parents to view. You have the assigned and due dates, as well as the categories listed here on the right-hand side, which is helpful to kind of match up here for the weighted percent of grade. So parents are able to see how those categories match up. When you're done, just click print. Now let's navigate back to our gradebook by clicking that all screen. And we're going to look for our student one more time. So we're going to look at printing our absence summary, which is another useful piece of information for a parent conference. So here from the all screen, we're going to locate our student, and we're going to look for the green icon and click the down arrow for more options. Here we're going to navigate to absences for that student. So we'll pull up the absences info tab. And you can see here that this is the absence summary. You have the ability to modify the report time frame if you're wanting to look for a specific time period. You would modify that and then just click go to your preferences. And you can see here some different information. There's absences, including unexcused or excused, or even out of school suspension. It shows you at the bottom the total full days possible and how many days the student attended or was absent, and the enrollment date for the student. You also have some notes down here at the bottom, and you will see other marks going across the right-hand side here. Those are other attendance codes that may be present for different students. At the bottom of this page, just select print to pull up that report, and you'll see the student's name as well as the date the report was generated, the report time frame you've selected, as well as the absence summary, and then just select print from the top right corner, and you're all set. Hopefully these quick tips will help you prepare for parent conferences. And that's another Byte of Tech. Thanks for watching. Check out the additional videos listed here and open the description below for more resources and a comment card for future video requests. Before you leave, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our new videos every Tuesday.